Hailstorms are a terrifying and unpredictable weather phenomenon that can cause significant damage to your car. In a matter of minutes, you could end up with a vehicle covered in dents, cracked windshields, and broken glass. The damage often leads to expensive repairs, but the good news is that you can take measures to protect your car from hail. In this video, I'll walk you through various strategies that will help you shield your vehicle from the harmful effects of hail, including preventive steps, quick fixes, and long-term solutions to keep your car safe. Let's jump in. Park in a garage or covered area. The single most effective way to protect your car from hail is by parking it in a garage or under a covered structure. When your car is parked inside a garage, it's completely shielded from the hailstorm, and the risk of damage is virtually eliminated. If you have access to a garage, always park your car there when you hear about a hailstorm forecast in your area. It's the most reliable form of protection. But what if you don't have a garage? Fortunately, there are other alternatives. Covered parking lots are a great option if you're out and about. Many shopping centers, malls, and even office buildings have underground or multi-story parking garages that can provide good shelter. For a more long-term solution, consider investing in a carport. A carport is a relatively inexpensive option compared to the repair costs you might face after hail damage. Even a simple fabric carport, or a more permanent metal one, can provide excellent protection from hail and other weather-related issues. If none of these options are available, simply parking under a tree, gas station canopy, or any other overhanging structure can help shield your vehicle, though be cautious about the potential for falling branches during a storm. Use a hail protection car cover. If parking indoors or under a covered area is not an option, you can turn to a hail protection car cover. These covers are specifically designed to protect your car from hail. They are made from thick, padded materials that absorb the shock of falling hailstones, significantly reducing the risk of dents and cracks. These covers are a great investment, especially if you live in an area where hailstorms are frequent. When selecting a car cover, make sure to choose one made of strong, padded materials. Some high-end models even come with inflatable layers, which create a cushion between the car's surface and the hail. If you don't want to invest in a specialized hail cover, you can still use a standard waterproof car cover, and for added protection, place blankets or comforters underneath. These homemade alternatives may not be as effective as professional covers, but they can still absorb the impact and reduce the risk of damage. Be sure to securely fasten the cover using bungee cords or straps so that it stays in place during the storm. DIY hail protection with household items. If you don't have a hail protection cover handy, you can still protect your car by using everyday household items. In an emergency, many people have turned to things like thick blankets, comforters, and even yoga mats to shield their cars from hail. These items provide some cushioning, particularly on the roof, hood, and windows of your car. Another useful DIY method involves using bubble wrap or pool floaties, which can absorb the impact of hailstones. Floor mats from your car are also an excellent option. Place them on your windshield and rear window to prevent the glass from breaking. While none of these solutions are as effective as a purpose-made car cover, they can still reduce the amount of damage your car might sustain. The key is to use as many layers as possible and secure everything tightly so it doesn't blow away during the storm. Seek temporary shelter under bridges or next to buildings. If you're driving during a hailstorm and don't have a safe place to park, try to find shelter as quickly as possible. The worst thing you can do is to keep driving or stop in the middle of the road, as that can lead to accidents. Instead, look for a bridge, overpass, or building that can shield your car from the hail. Parking under these structures can block the hail and reduce the chances of it damaging your car. If you don't see a bridge or a building, try parking next to any tall structure that can act as a shield from the hail. However, you should avoid parking under trees because the strong winds during a storm can knock branches down, causing more damage to your car than the hail itself. Similarly, stay away from power lines, which can fall during severe weather and pose a much greater danger. Install a carport or portable shelter. For those who live in areas prone to hailstorms, installing a carport is a smart long-term solution. A carport is a permanent or semi-permanent structure that can be built at home to protect your car. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate. Something as simple as a metal or fabric cover can provide substantial protection. In addition to fixed carports, there are also portable shelters available that can be quickly set up before a storm. These shelters are easy to store and take out when needed, making them a convenient option if you're caught off guard by a hailstorm. Portable shelters come in different sizes and materials, so you can choose one based on your budget and space. Stay updated with weather alerts. One of the best ways to protect your car from hail is to stay informed about the weather. Many weather apps, like AccuWeather, the Weather Channel, and WeatherBug, offer hailstorm alerts for your area. These apps can notify you when there is a severe weather warning, so you can prepare your car well in advance of the storm. Once you receive the alert, take action immediately. Move your car to a safe location, whether that's inside a garage, under a carport, or covered by a hail-resistant car cover. The sooner you act, the better protected your vehicle will be. Avoid parking under trees or power lines. When trying to find shelter from a hailstorm, do not park under trees. While they might offer some shade, trees can become hazardous during a storm because strong winds can break branches, which could fall on your car. Similarly, power lines are another danger. If they come down during the storm, they could cause severe damage to your car or even lead to a life-threatening situation. Use unconventional protective items. If you find yourself in a pinch and don't have a professional car cover or blankets, you can get creative with household items. Try filling trash bags with air and taping them to your car. These makeshift air cushions can absorb some of the force from hailstones. You can also use cardboard or towels to cover the car's roof and windshield. Though these aren't the most effective methods, they can offer temporary relief and reduce the amount of damage your car takes. Consider comprehensive insurance coverage. While all these protective measures can significantly reduce the risk of hail damage, sometimes the damage is unavoidable. This is where comprehensive car insurance comes into play. If you live in an area where hailstorms are common, having a comprehensive policy that covers hail damage is essential. It's important to check with your insurance provider to make sure that hail damage is covered under your plan, and inquire about any discounts available if you park your car in a garage or covered area regularly. What to do if your car gets hit by hail? If your car does get hit by hail, it's important to assess the damage right away. Start by taking clear photos of any visible dents, cracks, or broken glass. These photos will be important for your insurance claim. Then, file a claim with your insurance provider. If the damage is extensive, you might need to get your car professionally repaired. Many shops offer paintless dent repair, PDR, which is an effective way to remove dents without repainting the entire vehicle. Final thoughts. Hail damage can be frustrating, but with the right preparation, you can protect your car and save yourself from expensive repairs. Whether it's parking in a garage, using a specialized cover, or utilizing everyday items, there are numerous ways to shield your vehicle from a hailstorm. If your car does get damaged, having the proper insurance and taking quick action can help minimize the costs. I hope you found these tips useful. If you've ever experienced hail damage, or if you have any other protection tips, feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more car care tips, reviews, and automotive advice. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.